Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of the Groovy Gold Hunter. I am Heath, the grooviest of all. I have a brand new pay dirt review for you guys. This is from Bear Prospecting and it's a guaranteed half gram of gold. I think it comes from Indiana. It's a little big bag. This will be a quick review. Let's roll the intro and let's get into it. Yes, we have been waiting for some pay dirt and I finally got some. Bear Prospecting pay dirt guaranteed gold. I'll look it up here in a second, but maybe a half a pound. Let's weigh it. I've got a scale. We've got 16 ounces, so this is exactly almost a pound.
Idiot.
16.55. Isn't there 16 ounces in 1 pound? I think that's correct. So yes, and we're going to open it up right now and see what we got. Let me get a bow. So there's the bow. Here is the Doit. Very simple bag. I should be able to get all of this in there with no problem whatsoever, and I did. Yeah, don't have to worry about the creases. Nice clear bag. Perfect. And there it is right there. And we're going to classify it. The rocks look like some really small pebbles from a creek maybe. It looks a little dusty, but yeah, interesting. All right, let's get to classifying this stuff. It is from bearprospecting.com. I paid $45 for a half a gram guaranteed plus $15 shipping, so it's $60 out the door. So we're just going to do 10 mesh and under. Little bit dusty. Boy, that's a lot. Every time I do this, I say, man, I'm just going to do it this way, but that's a lot. So I'm going to do 1/4 inch just so I can break it down a little bit. I always do this every time. Watch, most of this will fall through. Pretty much all of it fell through. Here it is, only 6 classes, not a whole lot of material in each one as you can see, but let's go ahead and start with my 1/8 inch, followed by my 10 mesh, 20 mesh, 40 mesh, 60 mesh, and everything there is -60. 6 classifications, we start low, and we work our way all the way to the top. This is what we're starting out with, the -60. We're going to take the magnet, oh yeah, can you see? Look at that. So I'm very gently pulling it out. That's pretty wicked when you can actually see, look at all that. When you can actually see the magnetic material in the sand. That came out that little bit that I had.
English, mother. Do you speak it?
Let's go ahead and do the rest of these since we're doing it. Might as well film it. And not a whole lot after that. Enough of that. Let's get the panning. Sorry. I didn't realize there was any magnetics in there until after I looked at it for a minute. Not a whole lot. That is all of the -60 right there. So this should be a quick pan. Try to keep my water as clean as possible. I mean, look what I did. As soon as I said that, I just dumped mud. So stupid. And here I thought I was going to do a good pay dirt review tonight. Nope. That should be good enough. Tap it back. And I do get some gold in here. Not a lot, but a little bit. I don't know if you can see it, but 1, 2, 3. Looks like we got 4 little bitty tiny pieces of gold right there. That thing fools me every time. This is my own pan, and every time I see a little white dot, I think it's gold, and it's not. So I actually only got 3 pieces of gold. +60. Dump it all in there, because there is not a whole lot. Give it a quick stratify. The rest of this stuff should be pretty simple, and not a whole lot of dust, because all of the dirt was in the -60. And you can see in my pan that really wasn't a whole lot in there. That other big junk that's in there is where I clean my floor, and I panned it out before I started panning this stuff, because I always clean my floor and I clean my tables and stuff, and I always put it in a pan, and I always check for gold, and I always find at least one tiny speck of gold, either in the floor or on the table. And I actually have a dedicated snuffer bottle for all of the gold that I repan and all the gold that I find on the floor, all that kind of stuff. Stuff that I get out of crushed quartz. If I have quartz in my pay dirt, pan this back. Oh yeah, look at that. Got some flakage here. Oh yeah, got all kinds of flakes. This stuff pans back really easy too. Very small flakes, but looks like about 30-40 of them. We'll suck it up and we'll look at it in a little bit. Time for the 40 mesh. 40 mesh. And again, only enough for one pan. So for this only being a 1/2 gram of gold guaranteed, probably won't see much of anything in my 1/8 inch, maybe 1 or 2 in the 10 mesh. I'll probably see most of it in this one and my 20 mesh. All right, that's good. Let's pan it. Quick tap. Yep. Oh, wow. Super clean, more small flakes, I'd say about 50. Can't count all those, that's a lot. Nice and pretty gold. Suck those up. Done with the 40, now on to the 20 mesh. 20 mesh. I could probably do all of it. Yeah, we'll just do all of it. I probably could have done that in 2 pans, but too late now. Oh yeah, nice. More gold. Love gold. Gotta love gold. Can't go wrong with gold. Nice big flakes too for 20 mesh. Let me push these out so you can see them better. 5, 10, 15 pieces. And we are done with 20 mesh. Man, too fast. We got 2 more left and we're done. 10 mesh. Enough for 1 pan. I can just loop myself saying that. Now this is probably the last place that I'll find gold. I don't think I have a 1/2 gram. Pretty sure I don't have a 1/2 gram as a matter of fact. All right, let's pan it back. Guys, we do not have any gold. I said, as soon as I said let's pan it back, it already panned itself back and there is no gold in there. Oh no. We shot a blank. I'm okay, I can handle it. Let me look at my gold real quick. No, that's not a 1/2 gram. There's no way that's a 1/2 gram. All right, on to the 1/8 inch. This is it, 1/8 inch, and we're done. Guys, I don't see any more gold. There's no need to even pan that back. Ruh-roh. Guys, I think we're done. I do not see any more gold. As a matter of fact, I know I don't see any more gold. All right, well, none in the rest of that, so we're done. Wow, that was anticlimactic, wasn't it? That was very quick, easy, and not exciting. I don't know, it's pay dirt. You know what's next. I'm gonna pull this out, dry it, then we'll take it upstairs, weigh it, see how much we got, get a value, all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and get this pay dirt done. On the Bear Prospecting pay dirt, the guaranteed 1/2 gram, we're going to go ahead and weigh it right now. Let's first look at it. There's the Bear Prospecting. We are at grams. We will zero it out and we will dump the gold. 0.509. We got our 1/2 gram. And now we shall go over here to the gold calculator and see what kind of value we got. And let's put in the numbers right now. We had 0.509 grams of gold. We will call it 24 karat because I want to. Gold prices are at $2,294.06. They've gone down a little bit, about $100. We will calculate 37.54. Let's go to the percentage calculator. This wouldn't have been bad, $45 for the gold pay dirt, had it not been for the shipping. Shipping is $15, so total price was $60 out the door. I don't know why they're charging that much for shipping, but there it is right there. That's exactly what I bought. $15 is not how much it costs to ship a pound of dirt. We'll go back here, we'll put the $60 in, calculate. Yeah, 62.5%. It's not the worst, but if they would have had free shipping, it would have been awesome. 83%. Look at the difference. It's almost 20% difference. just because of shipping. 80% would have been a great return, but instead it was 62%. It's better than a lot of pay dirts. The pay dirt it literally looked like it was sand from Home Depot. The rocks were just these little bitty pebbles. You know, like driveway pebbles. But yeah, his website, he's got prospecting gear. He doesn't sell anything bigger than a 1/2 gram of pay dirt either. All right, guys, I'm done with this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, share button. I would appreciate it if you did all three because it really helps my channel. I'm trying to build my channel, trying to get more pay dirts to review for you guys. I'm trying to get new pay dirts. I'm in a editing frenzy right now, so you know this was the first pay dirt I've done in about 2 weeks. Yeah, I would appreciate it if you guys would subscribe and like and share and all that good stuff so my channel can grow and I can start doing more pay dirt giveaways for you guys. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and until my next review, this is Heat saying peace and love, and I will see you soon. Bye.